Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to film this because I just have been wanting to read for so long. It's just I haven't been able to read. Why I'm excited is because I'm actually get Siri to choose how many issues I read. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 17. She said read it all. But the first thing I want to read is DC Comics. And right now, DC has this new thing that they started, which is called DC All In. I already started reading that. It comes out with issues every Wednesday, and today's Wednesday, so more issues should have came out today. So I have the DC Universe Infinite app, which is the reading app, and my boyfriend actually pays for this. So this is the category, DC All In. And these are all the issues. But so far, I've read DC All In Special, which is the starter, and I read Absolute Batman #1, and I read Absolute Wonder Woman #1. And I was actually reading DC All In #14 Wonder Woman, but then I remembered I'm actually reading Wonder Woman, so I'm not caught up yet, so I'm actually gonna skip that and read Wonder Woman on its own until I get to #14. And basically how my boyfriend explained this to me is that DC On is basically where people can just jump in and to see if they like this character or like this story or not. Catwoman's my favorite character, and I can go into detail why she's my favorite character. And also Batman 153. I'm also reading Batman as well. So we're actually gonna start with Catwoman 69 and Batman 153 because I'm actually caught up with those readings and I want to know what happened next. This is actually a new writer. I was reading Teeny Howard's, I think that's her name, writing before, and I wasn't a really big fan of it, honestly. I'm sorry. I'm really excited for this because a lot of people say it's really good. Also, heads up, there might be spoilers, so I'll just be talking about random stuff that I see throughout the comic. The bat signal. To be continued. She's in Berlin. To be continued. That was so good. I like the writer. I like the story. That was amazing. This is Batman 153 All In, and I'm so excited to see what we have today because 152 was really, really good. So Oh, okay, Batman. Okay. He looks so fine. Batman looks so fine. I can't. Catwoman 69, Batman 153, Poison Ivy 26, and then I'm on Harley Quinn's number 44 right now. And they actually just released two more DC all-ins. Batman Santa Claus Silent Night Returns, all-in number 1, and then Poison Ivy Swamp Thing number 1 for all-in as well. We're gonna count how many there's to read besides the one I'm on and the newer ones, and then we're gonna ask Siri again. Pick a number 1 through 15. Hi guys, it's the next day. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to finish everything yesterday because I actually ended up going out with my sister until like late at night. So I'm gonna finish the rest today, but I'm gonna tell you a recap of what I've basically read. Okay, so we're gonna start with the DC All-In Special number 1. That was like amazing. If I do highly suggest you guys get into, if you want to get into DC but don't know where to start, I believe DC All In is a good way to start to figure out like who you like, who you want to read, if you like the story or not, you know, this and that. Okay, and then I read Absolute Batman number 1 a couple days ago. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, I absolutely love reading Batman. So the next one I read was Absolute Wonder Woman number 1, which is also great. I did start Wonder Woman, so I already knew I kind of liked her story, so I didn't mind reading Wonder Woman. Then I read Catwoman 69, which Catwoman's my favorite, so reading her was no issue, and 69 was for me to catch up anyways. And then Batman 153 was also for me to catch up, and I'm just waiting. Catwoman and Batman, I'm just waiting for the next issue because I need to know what happens next. Okay. And then I read Poison Ivy number 26, which was really really good. I haven't really read any Poison Ivy stories before, so I'm definitely interested in Poison Ivy, so I might start reading her. And then I read Harley Quinn number 44. It was great, but I personally like the Poison Ivy more than the Harley Quinn. I don't know if I'll actually start getting into Harley Quinn like that, but it was pretty good. Nightwing 119, which I already knew I liked Nightwing, but I have a few of his stories, just haven't read them. But after reading that, I was like, this is really really good, and I definitely need to start reading Nightwing now. So, and then I read Green Lantern, which is one of the stories I was not that interested in. Like, out of everything, I'm not really interested in Green Lantern. I'm not interested in Superman, Shazam, Green Arrow, Power Girl. Like, those are the characters that I'm not really interested in. But the Green Lantern number 16 was great. Like, I was surprised that I even liked it. Like, I read that like this. So, like, Green Lantern, very interesting story too. Then after that, I read Titans, which I do have, but I haven't started yet, and it was, oh my god, it was excellent. I love the story. I love the plot of it. And I definitely need to start from the beginning for Titans because that was great. Um, so now let me tell you guys what I have left to read, which is Wonder Woman 14, but I'm gonna start over from Wonder Woman, so we're gonna skip that. Okay, I have Action Comics, Batman and Robin, Green Lantern Civil Corps Special number 1, Birds of Prey number 14, Shazam number 16, Detective Comics 1090, Green Arrow number 17, Power Girl number 14, Superman number 19, and The Flash number 14. So I have 10 more issues to read, along with the other 2 new issues, part of DC On that just came out. So in total I have 12 issues.